Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different types of tea. One is plain tea and the other one is milk tea. So the things that you're going to be needing for your plain tea is a pan to heat up the water, a little bit of honey, some ginger, 1 tea bag, a little bit of sugar, 2 cups of hot water, and something to grind your ginger in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take your ginger and grind it to very small pieces. So this is how the ginger should look like. Now we're going to be taking our 2 cups of hot water and pouring it into our pan. Now add in your ginger. Make sure to stir that in properly. Now we're going to take that to our stove and heat it up. So our ginger and water is heating up on the stove. Now stir it occasionally. Make sure that all the ginger is being incorporated with the water and the ginger flavor is being put in the water. Now we can add in our 2 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to need a lot of sugar for plain tea because it won't have as much flavor. You can always add less sugar if you'd like to. After about 1 minute, you can add in about 1 tablespoon of honey. After waiting about a minute, you can add in your 1 tea bag. You don't have to leave this tea bag in for long because we don't want it to have a lot of flavor, just for a little bit, maybe about 20 to 25 seconds, and then you're going to remove it right away. So now I can remove the tea bag. Stir that for a little bit, leave it on the stove for about a good 2 more minutes, and then you can plate it and serve it. So this is the finished ginger and honey black tea. It's really yummy and sweet. You can serve it to any of your guests. You can always add a biscuit or a cookie on this plate and then serve it. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make milk tea. So the things that you'll be needing for your milk tea is a pot or a pan, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of boiling water, 1 full cup of milk that's cold, and 1 tea bag. The first thing you're going to do is add in your 1 full cup of milk. You want to boil that until you see a few bubbles. While we wait for our milk to boil, you want to add your tea bag into your hot water. Stir that and let it set until the milk is about boiled. Then we're going to be adding this in. Now you can see that our milk has fully boiled because there are lots of bubbles. We can now add in our water and our tea bag. You can strain the tea bag or you can leave the tea bag in the milk. I'm going to be leaving it in the milk a little bit later, but for now I'm going to stir what we have. I've left my tea bag inside there just for about 30 to 40 seconds and then we can remove it. Now I'm going to be adding my sugar. I used 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can always add more. Stir that in. You know that your tea is ready when you see that the color of the whole mixture is about a dark brown color. Not as very dark, but kind of like a little bit darker shade than this. So now I can remove the tea bag. I'll leave that on the stove for about another 30 seconds and then you can plate it and put it in a cup. So this is our finished milk tea. It looks really good, nice and brown. Make sure to let this cool down before you serve it to anyone. Here is both the milk tea and black tea. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye!